Hello guys, and I am just showing you how to do something that I don't think you know how to do, but it's very simple. As you guys can see, I am just saying, this is not what you think it's going to be. Now, if I'm on survival, I step on these pressure plates, and then the TNT explodes. So yeah, that's my little quick short video. I just wanted to show you guys, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye guys.